Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up guys? So today I'm about to start practicing my movie clips. I said I want to do cinematography, so I'm right here in this little parking lot in a nice little area right down here in Georgia. So yeah, so I'm about to practice. You guys are going to see. I'm going to show the behind the scenes, and yeah, in the clip, so let's get to it. Chop my dang thing. But yo guys, what's up? I just had, let me put on my mask for y'all to start tripping. So I just hit this spot, and yo, it is really cool. It looks like some people been doing some, and donuts around here. But I'm about to get some exhaust clips for you guys and get to it. It's a wrap. God damn, it's windy shit. Relax. But this thing keep falling on my hand. But yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's gonna be a short little video. I think, I'm not sure. I mean, I got a lot of footage, but so what I'm gonna do is, before I started, I told I'm doing cinematography. I'm gonna put that probably into the video. No, I am gonna put it into the video, edit a little bit of that, and put it on the one video. Then rev clips, exhaust clips, and I'm gonna be doing some TikTok. That's what I'm really doing right here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of pictures because you know it's a cool, nice, breezy day. Like it's beautiful, bro. Like this is about to be my go-to spot when I'm in my feelings, all alone, and I need help. Not mentally, you know, night drives or whatever. I'm gonna come here. This spot is, yo, it's big and nobody's here. Like it's no workers. Like it's crazy, yo. But that's really it of the video. I just want to show you guys that I'm having a good day today. So hope you guys are having a good day today. So have a good day. And you know, love y'all, and y'all know my name. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. These gonna be some extra credit, some loopers. Oh.